how much should you actually spend on a compression tester? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Lihub Compression Tester Kit. First up is the Lihub 8 PCS Compression Tester Kit, priced at just $13.99. What caught my attention is its portable design and solid 4.5-star rating from 394 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly option for testing petrol engines, this is worth a serious look. It features a dual-color scale gauge, making it easy to read during tests. The gauge can provide accurate readings that help you quickly assess engine health, a must when diagnosing issues. Plus, it includes various rubber tapers and fittings, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Now, I have to be real with you, some users did mention that the quality of materials could feel a bit cheap. But here's the thing, at this price point, it still gets the job done for most DIYers and occasional mechanics, so it might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a casual mechanic looking for an affordable tool. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty or professional use. For what you pay, it's a solid value. Now, if the quality concern with Lihub bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BETOOLL HW130 Compression Tester. Next up is the BETOOLL HW130 Compression Tester Kit, retailing at $19.99 and boasting an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 8,600 reviews. If you want a reliable kit that's still budget-friendly, give this one a look. This kit allows for quick and accurate compression checks on petrol engines. The 3-inch dual-color gauge is designed for easy reading, showing pressure from 0 to 300 psi. What's cool is the included 17.7-inch extension hose and multiple adapter sizes, making it versatile for motorcycles, cars, and ATVs. Now, some users have found that the rubber cones can sometimes make a loose seal, which could lead to inaccurate readings. But honestly, if you take your time and ensure everything is connected properly, you can still get reliable data. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use tester with lots of versatility. Skip this one if you need something specifically for larger or diesel engines. Overall, it's a great bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love digital technology. Product number 3, AUNO Digital Compression Tester. The AUNO Compression Tester is next, priced at $27.99, and it has a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews. If you want precise digital readings, this one's worth considering. This tester features a digital gauge with a display resolution of 0.1 psi, accurately measuring between 10 to 200 psi. Plus, it comes with 4 adapters and a 16-inch flex hose, allowing it to fit a variety of engines. One downside is that the setup can feel a bit complicated for beginners. However, if you're someone who enjoys getting into the nitty-gritty of engine diagnostics, this could be a minor hurdle in exchange for its accuracy and features. This is perfect for you if you love tech and need precise measurements. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more straightforward tool. For the accuracy it offers, the price is pretty reasonable. Now, if you're looking for something that includes a spark plug tester too, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, FIATA Compression Tester Kit. Next, we have the FIATA 9-pieces compression tester kit, which goes for $22.99 and holds a 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews. If you want an all-around kit for various vehicles, this is a solid choice. This kit includes a variety of adapters, which means you can test gas engines in cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. The gauge is easy to read, with a dual scale up to 300 psi, and the durable materials ensure it can withstand regular use. It also includes a spark tester, which helps diagnose ignition issues, very handy. However, some users found the instructions a bit lacking, which could make first-time use tricky. But honestly, once you figure it out, it's a versatile and complete kit that can handle a lot of different vehicles. This is perfect for you if you work on multiple types of vehicles. Skip this one if you primarily work on just one vehicle type. You definitely get a lot of value for the price. Now, if you're looking for a more professional-grade option, let's talk about our last product. Product number 5, OTC Deluxe Compression Tester Kit. Finally, we have the OTC 5605 Deluxe Compression Tester Kit, priced at $117.99. This one has a stellar 4.7-star rating from 1,900 reviews. If you're serious about your automotive work, this kit is worth your attention. This comprehensive kit features multiple adapters and an extra-long hose, allowing you to access tight spots in the engine. The corrosion-resistant finish on the connectors means you won't worry about wear and tear over time, which is crucial for longevity. Now the price is significantly higher than other options, and some might think it's too much for a home garage. However, if you're a serious DIYer or a professional, the durability and accuracy it offers can justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you plan on using it frequently or need it for professional applications. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual tool. It's an investment, but for serious users, it's worth every penny. So there you have it. We've covered 5 compression testers, each with its unique strengths. Whether you're a casual mechanic or a professional, there's something here for you. I hope this helps you choose the right one for your needs.